I would like to make a video to explain how to set the starting point of the cutting job. So first, this is a sacrifice board. This is the board you want to cut. Normally you set the starting point on the surface of this board. Then when you do the drawing, your drawing is cut down, goes down. Okay, so your Z always goes minus. And then what you do is you move to the place you want to start the job. For XY is easy. You press XY equal to 0. You press, it will ask you, do you want to clean? Then you see XY becomes 0. Of course, you can individually change X or Y by the button in the corner. You press Shift to combine it. It will ask you if you want to clean Y. Okay. See? Now Z, what to do is you slowly go down the Z to some place near the board. To somewhere near the board. Then you put a paper underneath. You press OK. You can change the step of the Z. XY also, you can change step. That means each step is 0.1 millimeter. You press Shift, it will change to stepping mode. Then every time you press Z, it will go to step. So let's try and move some step first. Okay. Like that. So then you press Z is equal to 0. It will change Z. Okay, so now you can see the Z becomes 0 now. X we removed a little bit. So now we change back to jogging mode. Then you can move it out to other place. Okay. Now if you want to see that where's the origin point, you can press this key. You see it goes to 0, 0 of your set. You press it will trying to go back to this place. And you can see XY becomes 0 now. Z has a number, that's called safety distance. Currently set is 25 millimeter. You can change that. It means this goes to this is 25. As earlier you can do is you can change this to 25 to verify. 25 to verify. Then you change to step mode. You go one step, it will just go to the 0 point, and that's the 0 point. So that's how you set the 0 of XYZ for the cutting job.